How to add terms and conditions page to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so and how simple it really is. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, and first we're just going to create the terms of service or terms and conditions for Shopify. And luckily, they do actually offer a template that we can actually use. So click on these settings from the bottom left and scroll down to the bottom. You should be able to find policies. Simply click on that and then click on terms of service. You should be able to find it on the third option here. Click on it and then you should find the option insert template. So just go and click on that. And now obviously this is just a template, so it's really good, it's really helpful, but at the end of the day, there's a lot that you will need to replace. So there's going to be a lot of placeholders as well. So make sure you add everything and read through it and really just adjust this to be like actually personalized. Okay. So once you're done with all of this and you've fully edited your terms of service, as you can see here, there's plenty of placeholders. Click on publish. And once it's fully published, what you want to do is just go ahead and go back to it. Select this and do Control A. So select the entire thing and copy. So make sure you just copy the entire thing. Once you do this, now we just want to create the standalone page for it. So we can just go to pages, click on add page from the top right corner. Go ahead and name it terms and conditions or terms of service. It's up to you. Then in the content, you simply just want to paste in everything that we copied, like so. Obviously after the edit, and make sure that the readability is visible and click on save. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this to the footer menu to our site. So in order to do so, just click on content, menus, footer menu, and you can even add it to the main menu if you want to, but usually it's just going to go to the footer. Click on add menu item, name it whatever you want. Then simply click on the link option, go to pages, and link it to the page we have just created, which is this one right here. Click on the tick and save. And now simply if we just view our online store and go to the footer menu, we should be able to find that we're going to find it down here, and people can click on it and they will read the entire terms of service. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.